Hey guys, for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my updated roller set routine. So if you want to see what that looks like, just keep on watching. Okay y'all, so these are the 4 different types of rollers I'll be using as well as the products. So let's get into it. I'm applying my leave-in conditioner, and then after that I go in with the ORS Heat Defense Mist. I like using this mist because it's super lightweight. It helps to lock the moisture in from my leave-in conditioner, and it works as a heat protectant just in case I decide to go under the dryer. In this video I did not go under the dryer. Disclaimer, I actually slept with my rollers. But yeah, right here I am sectioning my hair. I like to use a rat tail comb with the metal piece because I find it gives me like a super precise part. If you are a beginner, do not be obsessive about how straight or neat your parts are. It really just matters like how much hair goes on your roller, because you don't want it to be too bulky. So don't be too hard on yourself if your parts are not super clean, super straight. Just try to get the actual technique of rolling properly down first. Also, if you are a beginner, using clips to section your hair like I'm doing here works amazing to help keep the rest of your hair out of your way. And also, if your hair is on the longer side, that's something that you want to do as well. I find that the longer my hair got, it bugs me. Like if you watch my other roller set video, this is not something that I used to do. I used to just freehand it, but now that my hair has gotten longer, I find that it just gets in my way, so clipping it up and taking it out the way kind of helps me out. Okay, also let's get into the actual rolling. I have 1,000 facial expression, don't mind me. So you want to lay your hair flat on the roller, and you want to keep tension on the roller, not pulling your hair out, but just enough tension. And you want to roll, roll, roll all the way to the base. See, I'm picking up any, shorter pieces that are there, and I'm putting it on the roller, keeping tension all the way to the base. That's kind of the basis of getting your rollers to stay put and not go all over the place. You also want to make sure that your hair is wet, not dripping, soaking wet, but wet. So keep a spray bottle handy. I don't know if you can see right over there. It's on my right side, that little white thing at the bottom of the screen. That's my spray bottle right there chilling, because, the other parts of your hair will get dry. So notice I'm laying the ends flat, keeping tension as I roll, 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 and then I use my clips. Now, every product that I mention will be in my Amazon store, including the clips that I'm using. I'm very particular about the clips I'm using because there are some other clips that I used to use when I just started roller setting and I hated those. But these ones that I'm using in this video, love them. Okay, so the spray bottle is actually on my left ear right on the screen, but yeah, that's besides the point. You guys see me reach for it, make sure to spritz my hair because back there started getting a little bit dry, and then I follow the same thing. Roll with tension, clip them up, and now we're off to the other side that you guys can actually see. Okay, you guys can see me holding my hair at an angle here, lay the ends flat on the roller. I almost lost grip just now, but keep your tension and keep on rolling to the base. Hold the roller in place, and then you clip it in. And that's literally the basis of like your roller set. Once you have your hair wet, you have it nicely sectioned, and you're making sure that your ends are flat, you're rolling nicely with tension, you're all good. So I know you guys haven't seen anything from me on the channel for a while. This video was actually recorded back in October of last year. I could tell by the breakout on my cheek. If you are on my Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. I haven't broken out in months, y'all, but this pimple right now is aggravating me. But anyway, yeah, I cannot wait to do a life update video for you guys. Like, the things I have to tell y'all. Oh my goodness, the ghetto child, the freaking ghetto. But yeah, um, trying to get back into the swing of things, recording and uploading content. So hopefully you guys will stick around for those videos. And it would not be me if I did not make a mess of one of my rollers. Do you see that? The pin caught the hair from the roller in the front and made a mess of my rollers. Now it's just gonna sit here and bug me. It's not that important. It's on the roller and it's gonna dry and it's gonna be beautiful when it's done. So I'm gonna try not to be annoyed by it. But yeah, a typical roller set video with me. I always do something to make a mess of at least one roller. Okay, y'all, remember to keep your hair wet. That's kind of one of the foundations of a good roller set. You don't want your hair to be dry. It's not gonna come out good. It's gonna be frizzy, so make sure you keep your hair wet. Not soaking, dripping wet, but wet. Yeah, and then you want to lay your ends flat on the roller, roll with tension, go to the base, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so we're on to the final section, and by now I think you guys kind of got the basis of the roller set. You want to make sure your hair is wet. Go in small enough sections to where your hair could fit on the roller. Lay your ends nice and flat on the roller. Roll with a little bit of tension and go to the base clip, and you're all set. So yeah guys, this is the end of the set. I'm gonna be now tying my hair up. I think I was gonna be putting the boys to bed at this time because yeah, it was getting late, and I'm definitely not going under the dryer after doing a whole, bedtime routine. So I'm going to tie my hair up for sleeping. And now I have a particular system and a way that I sleep comfortably in my rollers. Like my mom taught me to sleep on my hands, but the way, like on my forearms, but the way that I tie my hair up to go to sleep, I try to make sure nothing moves. So I have this hairnet, the rubber band, elastic band, whatever the hell, is loose from around the top of it but it works for what I need it to. So I tie the top, I pull it over all of the rollers, and then I'm gonna go in with my satin scarf over the top of that. And this technique, y'all, make sure that not a single roller moves while I sleep. Y'all gonna see when I come to take the roller down, nothing moves, promise you. Okay, y'all, here we are back to take these rollers down, so you guys can see what my hair looks like, and y'all gonna see how nothing moved. I had to take that clip out because that kind of shifted a little bit. So look at this. Once I take this hairnet off, nothing will move and everything will be in its place. And then we're just gonna take these rollers out. Now I'm gonna speed through that because I mean y'all know how to take your rollers down, right? Like, come on. So we're gonna fast forward through this a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like at the end. Okay, so I kind of like to loosen things up and then go in and oil my scalp because I already have my hair sectioned from the roller. So I feel like this is like a pretty good point to just go in and oil my scalp in all those little sections. And this is my scalp oil blend that I created after I gave birth to my boys because I wanted something that would help to combat shedding, and the scalp oil did just that. I had minimal postpartum shedding. It wasn't even anything to talk about, like, really. It was normal shedding with just a little bit excess. So, yeah, I am finished combing my hair out. So, you guys are gonna see me moisturize my hair, and then I'm gonna seal with the ORS mist. Okay, guys, so even while I mentioned postpartum shedding, I just want to note that postpartum shedding is different for everyone. So my experience may not be yours. So take that into account. Also, ignore any background noise you hear. They've been cutting the lawn all morning, y'all. Okay, you guys, so this is what my hair looks like after we're done. My hair feels nice and soft. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.